choke to clear out. We'll take the
I'm going
dial.
to show you really quickly how to replace the battery on your Jeep Key Fob. You're going to need a small straight screwdriver, and what you're going to do is you're going to push on this little silver button right here, and that's going to pull your key out. Now you could use your key, and you're going to see this slot right here, but it's easier. That's what the screwdriver is for. Is you're just going to take your screwdriver, you're going to put it in here, and then you can just twist it sideways, and then this cap, the little cover, is going to start to come off, and then you can just work the screwdriver down in there, and then that cover is going to come off, that back piece. Now here's where you actually need the screwdriver. You can't really get in here. There's two little tabs. If you have a small straight screwdriver, you can get in there and you can pry that up and over those, and that will pop out. As you can see, this battery is a CR2450 battery. So you're just going to replace that. You'll get your new battery. Usually they're very cheap on Amazon. You can buy multiples for the same price you could buy it in a store. You're going to make sure you have that plus side facing up. We're going to tuck it into that groove here first, and we'll push it in. So we're pushing down in, and then once we get it pushed down in there, then we'll push down, and it'll push over those. You'll hear it click. That's how you know the battery's popped into place. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your fob back together. Now you might have done what I just did, is rotated it around. Make sure that that flat skinny spot is up at the open end. Get this put back together, just seat it, push the bottom end in first, and then work your way up. You should hear it popping into place. Once you have that all snapped back into place, you're just going to take your key, you just pop it back in, and that's it. Hopefully that helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.